It's been a minute since we've updated our community about what's going on. We have a huge launch coming soon in the coming few weeks. What does that mean to you?
People will finally be able to see our technology, what we have to offer, play with it, give us some feedback. So again, I'm super excited about seeing the response. There's a problem with Web3.
Yes.
Yeah, there are a lot of problems. But one of the main problems is how you basically build on Web3. So let's say you have an idea and you want to build this new dApp. Okay, it takes a huge amount of time and a huge amount of money to actually make it happen. Okay, and one of the problems, or maybe the main problem, are smart contracts. Smart contracts, you basically have to hard code or your logic on the smart contract because it's immutable. You cannot change this, right? In an ever-changing market that moves so fast, I really don't know of any industry that is moving so fast. You have to respond to market changes. You have to respond to what your users want, right? And you cannot do this to the fullest on Web3. And what happens when you cannot provide your users with what they want?
Bye.
They go to the next big thing,
100%.
right? I don't know if you're old enough to remember that, but when mobile started picking up, there were a lot of applications that people were creating in a matter of days, and people could optimize those applications and publish new ones. There was this whole marketplace, endless marketplace of ideas and use cases and applications. It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't work that way on Web3.
I know that we have explained this 1,000 times over again, but treat me like I'm 12. Explain to me how the FCT technology works.
The FCT technology has a very ambitious goal, and that is to change the way we build on the blockchain. FCT stands for Future Conditional Transactions. It means that you have transactions that happen in the future and that you can condition them on specific conditions. If you take like the smart contract of Uniswap, it has a certain logic in it. So what we did is we took that logic out of the smart contract that is immutable, that you have to hard code, pre-plan, blah, 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 and we put it on the transaction level. And then basically you can create those transactions, you can change them, you can update them, you can upgrade them, and you can offer your users a much more customizable, much more up-to-date experience than what we have right now with the stagnation of the smart contracts. So the first step is we understand that the entire FCT technology is huge and it's a multi-purpose offering. So what we did is we created a more simplified version with a visual builder, with a very pleasant UI that you can play with. And the idea is to give you a range of tools to play with, and you can just drag and drop and create many different transactions. Just to give you an example, you can create a stop loss on Uniswap.
Okay.
Fast forward, when we launch the SDK, and we will obviously continue working on it, people will have the ability, developers will have the ability to build and to utilize the full gamut of the possibilities and the tools that the system has to offer.